Oldsmobile you won't see too often. It's a 1965 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 convertible. Only 2,879 of these produced in the convertibles. 425 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission. Would have been a turbo hydromatic 350. Now, as far as the paint goes, you can see paint is older on it. It is far from perfect. I would consider this one of the vehicles we get in, run and drive. We have them on our frontage road. So we kind of sell them as a running driving project, take it to the next level. Brakes are weak on it, just to let you know that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome, headlight, surrounds, grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside of it, the interior, engine bay. Go ahead and check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. Original paint coat on this N burgundy mist with red interior with a 995. As you can see, still retains red vinyl interior. Power top we have not had down. We've left it up. So we'll take a look at that while we're peeking around the car. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. That is a glass rear window, in case you're wondering. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see the underside, engine bay, interior. Take a look at the driver's side here. And again, we've had it running. We're going to start it up. Check out the engine bay. We've taken it on our frontage road parking lot, driven around. So that's how it's being represented. And again, would need brake work before you're going anywhere too far in this one. It is weak in the brakes. All right, so go ahead and fire this up. I have had the wipers working. I've also had the blower fan work, not had the radio work. Starts easily. Very stock looking dash. Door closes nicely. And obviously, if you're taking this to the next level, you can do a little exhaust work to it. But at least you can hear it run. You're going to check out the engine bay. Give me a second to get the hood open, and we'll look at that engine bay, wrap up this video. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Here's the engine bay. A 425 V8. Now this is an era correct engine, 381917 casting number. Unfortunately, with the power steering pump there, I can't get a peek at that VIN that would be on the block. But I can tell you it is an era correct 1965 425. As you can see, smooth runner. Only 2,879 of these made. 1965 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Give us a call.